Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. And today I would like to show you some tricks for drawing a very popular expression which some people don't get quite right because they miss the fine points, which are easy. You're not going to miss them because I'm going to tell them to you right now and you can use them in your work. Okay, let's start. This is going to be a smile, a closed eye smile. People avoid it sometimes because they think they can't get the expression if the eyes are closed, but that's actually not true. So let's start with sort of a upside down teardrop. Not quite a teardrop. I'll tell you the name of the shape. This is the name of the shape. I can't describe it. That's it. You can do it. It's a nice shape for an adult head. And down the center will be the neck, a long, thin neck. To be a female character, shoulders start to go this way. This is the trapezius muscle that leads the shoulders. Now let's bring that center line down here. And the eye line, not so low anymore. She's an adult, she's not like a kid, so the eyes are close to the center of the face. I'm going to just make a little adjustment here to thin out this side of the head. So I thought it was a little further out than this one. I want to make both sides symmetrical. And as I always say, always feel free to erase. It's very important to be free to change things. You don't have to say, oh, I got to stick with it. All right, so let's start with her basic features, okay? So we'll start with a little nose. Maybe a little upturned nose like this. Like that, okay? And we'll give her a real big smile. If you have closed eyes, you have to make up for it, because otherwise there's not enough expression going on. So you need the big mouth. Now that mouth is going to be pretty straight across the face, okay? Straight, a little high at the ends where I'm pushing it. A little much at the ends, middle, a little bit of thickness, not too much, but it's pretty straight, right? So how is that going to be a smile? Because the real part of the smile doesn't come from the top lip. It comes from the bottom lip. Watch. Now really open this up here. Open up that bottom lip like that. See, now that's where all the roundness comes, and that's the fun of the expression. That's where it comes from. So now what we do is we're going to give that closed eye look. So we have the big eyes coming up and like a force crushing down toward the middle of the nose. Crushing down like that, like a force. Boom. This goes boom, just like that. Also, you need to make them thicker than usual, really thicker. Because you have two eyelids crushing together. A black eyelid here, a black eyelid there. Push them together, it's thicker looking. It's like a thick black line now. Now here's the part I want to tell you about that I think it's a technique, and it's important, I think, for doing this, because this will make your character more believable and people will enjoy this smile more. Okay, hold on, I'm going to thicken this out. Bring that lip, yeah, that's good. And that is to flip this up. Flip this line up. That is like your key line right there, because that decides where the rest of the eyelashes go. And they follow this way, descending order. So from here, this way, and this way. And suddenly you have something that looks like something. Now, on top, you need that eye crease. You can shade it a little bit. It should not be as thick as the other line, as prominent, because otherwise it's going to get confusing. This is the line. But you need to have that. And a little bit of eyelid here pushing up from below, pushing up. So you have that also. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. But handle it one at a time, know what you're trying to accomplish, and it'll look good. Now, for this, a lot of times, the eyebrows crush down on the eyes rather than go up in a happy look, because it's kind of fun. She's kind of having fun. See, this is not like eyebrows going way up. There we go. Now let's darken this. You notice the eyebrows are pretty thick. Give them emphasis. The edges of the smile are really important. Okay, now let's put the ears here. Some basic ears. See, this is just below the eye line, so then this is just below the eye line. And we'll just have some earrings kind of coming off here energetically. They kind of react. It's a visual metaphor. So something's going on. So they're coming off rather than just hanging still. You can also darken this a little under here. You can have a little bit of a crease here. I don't think too much really works. All right, so let's give her some bangs. I have ruffled bangs here. Right across the forehead. So kind of short here, but fun, stylish. And a little bit underneath here too. And we can add some shading here. Put a shirt on and we can shade it even more darkly. Give a different tone. And I go underneath here and darken that a bit more. And you can bring this out now, play with it a little more. I mean, you've done more, as I have, to the shading, then you may want to add more to the eyelashes to offset it. And just a little more of the outline, and I think we've got it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and you got something out of it. Thank you very much for joining me. I have new videos each Monday, so I hope you'll subscribe and that I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.